Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Dazzlin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my hot oil treatment with a how-to inverted French braid tutorial. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, keep on watching. If you haven't, make sure to go hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. This is something that I usually do before a wash day when my hair is starting to get a little, dry and tangled and just look a little crazy, as you can see, just so it can really get all the nutrients and all the good stuff that it needs before I go ahead and wash it in the shower. Sometimes wash days can strip your hair, and they are a little bit aggressive too, even if you use natural products, even if you use sustainable products. Just the process of cleaning your hair and cleansing is essentially going to strip your hair of its natural oils in some sense. So I like to do this hot oil treatment at least once or twice a week before my wash day, and it has really helped save my curls. And this is what my hair used to look like, guys. Way before I realized, what hair care was and how to take care of my hair, how to treat it, curly hair, we just didn't know. We didn't know. Once I got older, that's when I really took responsibility, and I just learned to embrace my natural curls, as you should. So the one product that I'm going to use today for this hot oil treatment is the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength. So you can really use any oil that you want for a hot oil treatment. This is actually a relatively new one that I picked up, but I'm liking how it works, and it's just a concoction of different oils. I would go online, search up what it is that your problem areas are, things that you want to improve. Different oils have different nutrients and ingredients that will help supplement or help add to your hair health. So I would go about it that way, but I like this one because it has a whole bunch of different oils in this formula. It's the strength and length system, no weigh down, so I guess it just doesn't weigh down your hair, but it does because it's oil. At least for me, 7 oil blend hair and scalp oil for weak breakage prone hair. No petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors with castor oil and black cumin seed. So that's it right there. This little guy comes in a 4.2 fluid ounce bottle, but I've had it for maybe 2-3 months now, but I've had it for a little while and it's still lasting me really long, and I really like how it's working. A little bit really goes a long way, so it should last you a very long time. And I'm gonna also link this product down below in the description if you guys are interested in looking for it or checking it out. It will be down below. Some of the ingredients are sunflower oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, black cumin, castor oil, flaxseed oil, and soybean oil. And I love that it emphasizes for weak and breakage prone hair. So as I section off my hair, which I'm gonna start now, I'm gonna get into the benefits of a hot oil treatment. So with your hot oil treatment, you wanna make sure that you're using relatively hot water. Now remember, you don't want the oil to be extremely hot. You should be able to touch the oil on your skin and it be lukewarm. After you've let it sit for a couple of minutes, then I would go ahead and start the application process. So like I said, this is on dirty hair. I wouldn't do this right out of the shower or even on day 2 or day 3. This is when you're ready to, wash your hair. I would put the oil on first, and then if you need to detangle any more, I would put the water. I'm gonna go ahead and brush that out, and then I'm gonna go in with Carol's Daughter oil. And I start off by simply putting this into my roots and then dabbling it. Massage it like that, and then I do a little scalp massage. So scalp massages are actually really good. What they're gonna do is it's gonna create blood flow, stimulate hair growth, and they just feel really, really good. But they do have their benefits when it comes to hair health, just overall hair quality. Alright guys, so this process is rather simple. You're just sectioning and making sure that your hair is evenly coated with the oil. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist both of them together. And then just make sure that my ends are coated as well. So oil treatments are essentially, it's just like deep conditioning, it's just like masking. It's just gonna give your hair the properties that it's missing. It's gonna help revitalize your hair. It's gonna help repair any dryness, any frizziness, dry scalp. A nourishing treatment that's essentially just gonna help bring your curls back to life. And the reason that we heat it up is because the oil is actually easily absorbed at hotter or warmer temperatures than it is at room temperature and at cool temperatures. So that is the main goal. We want to make sure that our hair is absorbing as much of the product of oil or whatever hair product essentially that you're using in general, but we want to maximize the results of the product that we're going to use. Another thing that oil hair treatments do is they help lock in moisture to your hair. Go out in the summertime, your hair could get very frizzy because the humidity pulls water and moisture out of your hair. It helps lock in that moisture by slicking down the hair shaft. If you look at a photo of a hair follicle, a damaged one, a one that's been through breakage, or just compare it to a healthy hair shaft. But what the oil is gonna do, essentially, it's gonna slick down those windows and make sure that whatever product, whatever moisture, whatever hydration, whatever you're trying to lock into your hair, that's essentially what the oil is gonna do. It helps reduce dryness of the hair and of the scalp. In turn, this actually helps prevent frizz or reduce frizz. And this all over time is gonna help increase your hair strength, which is gonna help increase your hair growth. So all of this is correlated to your overall hair health. So again, I'm just going in, same process, applying the oil all over my hair to the scalp and then down to the ends. When I was going through my transitioning journey, and I feel like hair is always a transitioning journey because your hair always changes, your hair goals always change. But essentially, I had to sit down and I had to do a lot of research, watch videos like this. And hair health starts from the inside out, honestly. There's only so many products that you can use that are gonna help benefit with your hair health and your hair growth. But if I showed you guys how short my hair, I'm gonna put in a picture right here so you guys could just see how short my hair was at the beginning of my journey. It was crazy. If you guys are interested in seeing a curly hair journey, a curly hair transformation video, definitely let me know in the comments below. I would really, I feel like that would be really fun to just go through my camera roll and see, you know, from start to now, like almost 5-6 years of being on this journey. You gotta have a lot of patience. But honestly, it's all worth it. Learning to fall in love with your natural hair again is something I wish I knew earlier. Guys, I feel like I'm in the 90s. Like, you know when they used to walk around with those big fros and pick it too? Like they'd be picking their hair. I can't. You know me, I'm all about my definition and my length. I do not, I'm not crazy about having volume because I think it just makes me look like a potato, but so much freaking hair. It's unreal. It's like a pillow. Especially in the areas where I know it gets the most dry. Once all of the oil is placed into my hair, give it a little scalp massage. What I really want to get, but I always thought they were kind of pointless. One of those little spider spatula things, and they just give you the most amazing massage. I don't have one of those. Maybe I'll get one of them and try that for you guys. Whew, okay, I'm getting hot because this hair is too much. But I like to use a protective style. In this case, I'm going to do inverted French braids just to make sure that my hair is detangled. It's not going to start knotting or tangling. It's just going to avoid any wind or any while I'm sleeping or working out. It's just going to all be in one place, locked and protected. So I'm going to start off. I already have a line here. I don't know how I'm doing this by not looking. I'm just going to make a line with your comb. Okay, I'm back. I had to go and check that the line was straight because I couldn't see it from here. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the protective style. So now I'm gonna start my French braid. with these inverted French braids, you take 3 pieces. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them all underneath each other. So you see, you take the one on the outside and put it under. So it's not like a regular French braid where you're going on top. This one you're going under, and every time you go under, you're gonna pick up some hair from the other side. Because my hair is so long, I gotta like detangle it at the ends. Pick up some hair, pick up some hair. So it's constantly just going under, under. These are especially necessary if you're going into the pool in the summertime, chlorine, ocean, any type of water. Make sure you're using some type of leave-in conditioner, oil, and then protective styles. So your hair, you're not gonna come out and have millions of knots. You just have to be prepared and keep your hair locked in and protected. Under. You really just have to go ahead and put the hair under. 1, 2. It's easier to see it now that I'm like at the bottom. And this is really difficult to do if your curly hair is like curly. If my hair was intact, it's much easier to do when it's brushed out, so your hair doesn't get tangled as you're scooping in pieces to collect with the other bunch of hair. I hope that makes sense. Take a little rubber band and go ahead and tie that off at the bottom. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that. And then there we go. This one came out actually really good. I'm telling you guys, I'm just looking straight into the camera, so I'm not even looking like in a mirror or anything to see what I'm doing. Okay, hopefully the other side can come out this good. Like I said, I'm not looking, guys. If you guys are interested in seeing more hair content like this, definitely go ahead and check out my hair care playlist. I have all of the reviews, all of the product routine, all of the hairstyles, everything hair related. And if this video is helping you out in any way at all, or you're liking it so far, make sure to hit that like button down below. And if you guys know somebody that's going through their transitioning journey and needs help with their curly hair, go ahead and share this video with them. Pass it along. That's what I'm here for. Always like nervous to get into the second half of my head because I'm like, okay, is this gonna be a winner? It's gonna be like a one and done, or am I gonna be here for 2 hours trying the same hairstyle? You never know. But hopefully we get it in one shot, okay? Fingers crossed. Okay, so you're gonna continuously take pieces of hair and just keep on adding to the section that you're putting underneath. My hair is getting like all tangled right now. hopefully looks good. We do have some frizz at the top, but this is okay. This is only for like a day, maybe to go to bed. I'm not really gonna go out like this. If I was gonna go out like this, I would probably apply some gel to the top and make it look cute, but for this video and for this purpose, it's really just to do a little treatment before I wash my hair. Take your little hairband and then apply the band to your ends. Take some oil and you're all good to go. Let's see. I think this side looks better. You guys can pick any gel you're choosing, and I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up those baby hairs. Just make sure everything is in its place. Now the last step that I'm gonna do for this oil treatment, I actually go in with another Carol's Daughter oil, and it's called the Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Hair Sheen. So I've had this one for years, and as you can see, it's almost done. This one smells so good. This little guy comes in a 4.3 fluid ounce bottle. Dry, dull, and brittle hair. So what this one is going to do, it's going to replenish moisture and improves manageability and adds shine. It has shea, jojoba, and seed oil inside. So the reason that I like this one, some oils that aren't in this one has more, and this concoction is meant for weak, breakage prone hair. This is for the oil treatment. This one I usually use as a hair sheen. It's one simple spray on my hands after I finish my hair if I want to give it that shine. But because I'm doing an oil treatment and it does have 1 or 2 ingredients that aren't in this one, I just like to, you know, like, I'm doing an oil treatment, let's do it all. Especially because my hair is already in the braids. And this one has an easy spray applicator. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it on to my hair. So it says here, the blend of shea butter and jojoba oil helps to condition hair throughout the day with a little extra sweet almond oil to help add strength to your hair so you won't have as many snaps and breaks. For all hair types, and it works extremely well on locks, twists, and braids. And it smells amazing. It really does smell like vanilla. So those are the 2 products that I use for my oil treatment and my how-to inverted French braid. I hope you guys try it if you can get it. I am still perfecting it, and it is harder to do on curly hair, but just remember, you go under for regular French braid, you go over. If you guys are interested in picking up these 2 products, definitely go check out my links in the description. No, this video is not sponsored by Carol's Daughter, but I just absolutely love their oil blends. If you guys haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video.